Hello and welcome to Microsoft Hates Greg. My name is Greg Deckler, and today we're going to be talking about the performance of buttons, shapes, images, and also text boxes as well. So I tried to test out all the buttons, blank buttons, and all of that sort of stuff. I tested like a small image, this big image. I think I made one that was even bigger that took up the whole page. And then I was testing out these are the shapes I decided to test out. I tested all the buttons, but testing out all the shapes seemed kind of like a little bit pointless potentially. So I didn't do all of that. So I figured I'd share my results, and I have two performance reports. And again, the way we do this is, you put these on a page. Now these were done just one refresh, and then I'd export. And then I did a second performance report that we'll get to after this one, where I tested out like 1 to 10 shapes on a page, or 1 to 10 images on a page. I did the standard 10 refreshes and that stuff that we've been doing. But these were just done with one refresh, and you can see I don't know how much you can compare this to the fastest visual that I did earlier, because they were done on completely different days under potentially completely different load conditions on my machine. But text boxes are pretty fast and didn't seem to matter whether it was a small text box or a big text box. It's still rendered in the same amount of time. And you can see the octagon is down here, but I don't know if this really means anything. Everything pretty much like comes back in like 30 milliseconds, almost. Most of the buttons and images and everything like that. With a few that went up to 33 milliseconds, I'm not sure if that's really statistically significant. But I was kind of surprised. I don't know why the back button, it consistently came back slower than everything else. But again, I don't know if you can really draw too many conclusions on this. Everything seems to display within about the same amount of time, other than the text boxes in this case. And all these tests were done here basically at the same time. So I put the visual on the page, I'd refresh, see what it did, put the next visual on that page, get rid of that visual, refresh, et cetera, et cetera, et cetera, for all of these. And they were all done within a span of like 10, 15 minutes. All right, so now let's take a look at the other one that I did. Well, Teams, when you share out your screen, it's just a pain. Okay, so this one, now this one, you can't compare these between each other. Like I did all the text ones at the same time, and I did all the shape ones at the same time, all the images at the same time, all the buttons at the same time. But these individually were done at different times under different load conditions, so they're not directly comparable to between the categories here. But these are all comparable. And what I kind of found interesting here is that is the multiplier, right? So from 1 to 10 text, I get basically doubles the amount of time to display. Versus with a shape, again, pretty much is double, right? And then with an image, though, it's triple. So when you get 10 images on the page, it's triple the time to render just one image. So I thought that was interesting. And then buttons, it's not even double. It goes from 31 seconds to 52 milliseconds. So to display 10 buttons versus one button. So for whatever reason, it seems like buttons scale better than images, shapes, or text in terms of the amount of additional effort that goes into rendering them. And I don't know why. It'd be great if somebody could like confirm that result. I might rerun these tests again at another time because it just seems interesting. So what this would potentially say is that using buttons to you know, display text potentially. Well, maybe not text because it's so much fast. Text boxes are seem to be so much faster than buttons overall. Um, but potentially like using buttons to display things versus images. I don't know. I'd have to start looking into buttons with images on them and see what that happens. I didn't do that. So yeah, probably some more testing. Not sure, how significant these findings are, but it was something I wanted to do because I'd kind of excluded the buttons, images, and text from the normal visuals, right? Like tables and the stuff that appears over here. So anyway, that's all I had for this video. Hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you next time.